Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is September 2nd, 2025. Here is what we are covering. A homicide at Burning Man has shifted the focus from celebration to crime scene investigation in the Nevada desert. On Saturday night, as the festival's signature effigy was set ablaze, a white adult male was found dead, escalating concerns amid the event's final days. Pershing County Sheriff's Office, alongside federal rangers, rushed to cordon off the area, highlighting the festival's transformation from a countercultural oasis to a Silicon Valley networking hotspot. Tech giants like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Google founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin, known for their deep ties with the gathering, now witness a darker turn in its history. With a baby's unexpected birth last week adding to its peculiar incidents, the investigation faces the daunting task of unraveling a murder in a soon-to-disappear city, urging 70,000 attendees to remain vigilant as authorities race against time to uncover answers. From crime to AI concerns, the term clanker, a slur against robots that first emerged in a 2005 Star Wars game, has gained popularity across social media platforms, particularly targeting AI chatbots and platforms like ChatGPT for producing misleading or low-quality content. Initially used to mock battle androids, the term now broadly insults various robotic forms, including delivery bots and self-driving cars, for not being human enough or for fears they might replace human jobs. Critics argue while AI itself may not be offended, the use of such slurs could normalize bigotry, drawing parallels to how marginalized communities have been treated historically. Linguist Adam Alexic suggests this trend might reflect poorly on society, highlighting concerns over attributing human qualities to AI, including speculative future repercussions from advanced artificial intelligence. Now onto Meta's mishaps. Meta has landed in hot water for creating flirtatious chatbots mimicking celebrities like Taylor Swift, Scarlett Johansson, and others without their consent. Investigations revealed that not only did Meta's tool allow users to craft these AI chatbots, but a Meta employee also contributed to making at least 3 such bots. These bots, shared across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, often made sexual advances and produced realistic, intimate images upon request, breaching Meta's own policies. Furthermore, the platform enabled the creation of chatbots based on child celebrities, raising serious ethical concerns. Meta has since removed some of these bots, admitting that their AI tools violated guidelines by generating inappropriate content of public figures. Legal experts suggest Meta's actions may infringe upon the celebrities' rights to publicity. Shifting focus to China. China's leading social media giants, including ByteDance's Douyin and Tencent's WeChat, have introduced new measures to align with fresh regulations requiring clear labels on all AI-generated content. This move, aimed at tackling misinformation and copyright issues, demands that every piece of AI-created text, image, video, or audio shared online carry visible tags for users, alongside metadata watermarks. Announced in March by the Cyberspace Administration of China, this law is part of a wider effort to tighten AI oversight, highlighted by the 2025 Qinglong campaign to purify the Chinese internet. Platforms are taking serious steps. WeChat urges creators to label AI content and warns against misuse, while Douyin promotes user labeling and will check untagged AI content sources. Other platforms like Weibo and RedNote are also adapting, adding user tools for content tagging and reserving rights to label AI content themselves, reflecting a broad compliance wave across China's digital landscape. Next up, Attio's success. Attio, a rising star in the tech world, has successfully bagged $52 million in a Series B funding round, with GV, Google Ventures, taking the lead. This fresh infusion of cash, contributed to by other major players like Redpoint Ventures and Balderton Capital, pushes Attio's total funding to a hefty $116 million. The company, with roots in both the UK and US, is on a mission to revolutionize the customer relationship management (CRM) scene with its AI-native system. This innovative approach aims to provide businesses with a deeper understanding of their customers and more personalized go-to-market strategies. In just 2 years, Attio has managed to attract 5,000 paying clients, signaling a promising shift towards AI integration in CRM solutions. With plans to boost its engineering prowess and further product development, Attio is gearing up to redefine CRM for the AI era. Finally, embracing AI leadership, Jim O'Leary, CEO of the communications giant Weber Shandwick, has transformed his office into an AI innovation hub in just 6 months, signaling a significant shift in executive attitudes towards artificial intelligence. Despite a high level of optimism among CEOs about AI's potential, with nearly 95% of leaders from the fastest-growing U.S. companies expressing confidence in AI to enhance operations, a hesitancy to adopt AI in day-to-day management persists. O'Leary's journey began with gathering key team members to pinpoint what they wanted AI to achieve, notably seeking a system to securely summarize meetings. By turning his CEO office into a testing ground for AI applications, O'Leary not only deepened Weber Shandwick's credibility with clients, but also demonstrated a hands-on approach to navigating the AI landscape, setting a precedent for other leaders to follow in integrating AI into their strategic toolkit. Thanks for listening to this episode.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.